Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to continue with our lesson formatting a document. And those who have not watched the previous video, please watch the video because this MS Word, this document making will be helpful for you throughout your life. Okay, so first watch the previous video and then come to this video. So today we are going to continue formatting a document. Formatting means you are making the document more attractive, okay, by changing some font or your color or alignment. So last class we have studied how to change font, size, how to make the things bold, italic and underline. Today we are going to learn how to change text alignment. Okay, now what is that alignment? Okay, alignment means you are coming up with one line. Okay, like this is the text. Now this text is in the center of the screen, so it is your center align. If this changing the text will be going to the left side, it will be your left alignment. If this changing text alignment will be goes to right hand side, it will be your right hand alignment. So how to do the alignments? Now, if you go to the home tab, okay, there is a group which is known as your paragraph group. This is the picture of particular paragraph group. आप इसको देखेंगे home tab में आपको ये दिखेगा paragraph group. Okay, and when you click on this paragraph dialog box launcher, यहाँ click करेंगे तो paragraph dialog box open हो जाएगा. And this part is known as your alignment. Now how many alignments are there? यहाँ देखो ये जो text है आपका left align means the text will be left, center align, right align और ये जो सब equal lines है, okay, if it is in the center and all the lines are equally distributed, सब बराबर की lines distribute है, ऐसा नहीं कोई line में कम text है कोई line में ज़्यादा text है, नहीं, सारा text जो है equally distributed है. This is known as your justify. What is that? Justify. ठीक है, so four types of alignment are there: left align, center align, right align, justify. ठीक है. Now alignment refers to the positioning of text on the page. We should set the alignment before we begin typing. We can also select an entire document and change the alignment. Now MS Word provides you four types of alignment. ठीक है, left align, center, right and justify. Now this is your text. ठीक है, अब ये text it places all the selected text to the left margin. देखो यहाँ left में आ गया. Then this is your center alignment. ये text अभी center में आ गया है. If we click on right alignment, the text will be on the right. See, this is your right alignment. And this is known as your justify, where the lines are equally distributed. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि ये text आपका यहाँ कम है तो भी वो बराबर करेगा, नहीं. When you type the text, दोनों तरफ equal alignment रहेगा. ठीक है, center alignment में क्या होता है, ये begin typing will be at the center, but here the text दोनों तरफ margin same छूटेंगे. It is mainly used for designing books, magazines and newspapers. Now how to align? First thing, select the text, okay, and then click on the alignment button. Now we can also change alignment by clicking on this page layout tab. अभी तक हमने किससे किया? Home tab से. You can also do it with your page layout tab. Click on the paragraph, okay, and here also you can give space and the alignment. See, alignment is centered, left, right and justified. So not only on the home tab, it's page layout also. Now this is your redo button. ये देखो ऐसा फिर से रिवर्स का सिंबल है. ठीक है, ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग बैक, तो दैट इज योर रीडू, मतलब जो भी लास्ट एक्शन हमने किया उसको फिर से करने के लिए रीडू, एंड दिस इज योर अनडू. Now changing the color of the text, select the text and click on this home tab में ही यहाँ font group में this is your color, more colors, you can select more colors. This is your font color. Select any font color and the color will be changed. Line spacing change करने के लिए line spacing means your, see, these are your lines and in between the lines what should be the spacing. Okay, this we can change using your line spacing. We can also increase or decrease the line spacing between the paragraphs. Select the text, see the text is selected, and increase your line spacing or change your line spacing. Okay. This we can do it by your paragraph group also. Single line spacing, double line spacing, and you can see the preview here. By default, the line spacing is set to single. To apply numbering effect on the text, clicking on numbering button in the paragraph group. If you want to give something in the number, click on that number group. Okay, bullets are there. These are your bullets, means your symbols के form में numbering रहेगा और यहाँ आपका numbering है. This is your bullet and this is your numbering. You can press shift plus enter to insert blank lines in the bulleted or numbered line. अगर उसके बीच में gap करना है, ठीक है, तो shift plus enter. सिर्फ enter करने से next bullet will come. ठीक है, next number will come. But if you press shift plus enter, so only the blank space will come. Now how to create this bulleted or numbered list? See, this is your bulleted list. This is your numbered list. Okay, it's a small graphic symbol and these are your numbers. How to do that? Select the text, click on bullet. There are different shapes. We can select any shape for giving the bullet. Now this is your tab stop position. Now this picture is the enlarged picture of your ruler which you have seen on the MS Word. और ये जो छोटे छोटे से L बने हुए हैं, that is known as your tab stop position. Means when you press the tab key, the cursor will go to this place. Again you press the tab key, cursor will go to that place. So tab stops are commonly used to enable users to align text easily. By default, tab stops are set at every 0.5 inches. ठीक है, ये क्या है आपका, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना है 1 इंचेस, तो 0.5 इंचेस पर टैब पोजीशन सेट रहती है बाय डिफॉल्ट. सिंपल रूलर पर क्लिक करना है, टैब स्टॉप पोजीशन क्रिएट हो जाएगी. तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. प्रैक्टिस एट योर होम. टाइप एनी पैराग्राफ ऑफ योर इंग्लिश इन computer. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.